Welcome to cowin.gov.in, which is Government of India's official portal for COVID-19 vaccination drive. In this module, we are going to learn about the site manager. The site manager has various roles and responsibilities. Creating vaccinator for the vaccination center is one of the most important activity the site manager does. Three important things that every site manager and other vaccinators has to take care of is that henceforth the beneficiary will not have a choice to choose which vaccination the beneficiary wants to take in, that is whether it is Covishield or Covaxin. Also, the session created for the vaccination should be completely of Covishield or Covaxin. There should not be a mixed session. The third important thing is that if the beneficiary dose first is Covaxin, then the dose second should be Covaxin only. If the beneficiary dose 1 is Covishield, the second dose should be Covishield only. There can't be a mixed dose for a same beneficiary. So vaccinator are generated by the site manager by going into departmental login. We need to click on departmental login. The window will look like this. Then we need to enter the mobile number of the site manager and then the password given for the site manager, and we need to click login. The pop-up window will look like this. Here under user and vaccination center there are various activities. So under users, the vaccinators can be generated by the site manager by clicking on add user. We need to enter the username, mobile number, role, whether it is vaccinator or verifier, and then block and vaccination center will automatically come as per the site manager's information, and then status should be active, and we need to click on save to create a new user. The user will come here as a vaccinator, and the vaccinator will get a login ID and password on his or her mobile. Then under vaccination center, here vaccination center, there are various activities. First is manage session. The second is the update vaccination batch. So the site manager can click on manage session, and for creating a session, the site manager can add the date for which the session needs to be created. The second dose date will come automatically after 28 days. Means it will be feeded the date which is 28 days after the date for session. Then there will be a start time 9 AM and end time 6 PM, which is uniform. Capacity has to be added by the site manager as per the vaccination center. Some vaccination centers may have 75% online and 75% offline, or some may have 100% online. The site manager need to enter carefully what capacity the hospital is having. Then we need to click add to create the session, and the session will come here. Then next is update the vaccine batch, for which we have created the session. We need to click on this icon, update vaccine batch. The created session date wise will come under this. Here the session will be seen. Then we just need to click here to update the vaccine batch. There will be a vaccine batch automatically here. We just need to click, and then we need to save this on this clipboard. Once we have updated the vaccine batch, we need to publish the vaccine batch and the session in order to view it in the vaccinator module. The site manager has to go here, manage session, after updating the vaccine batch, and then he need to click on this right icon, this right sign, which is publish a slot online. Once the site manager click on this, the batch, the session, everything will come into the vaccinator module, and the session can be started smoothly. This is all about site manager module. Thank you.